Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about ticker symbol QUBT, and that is going to be quantum computing. Now, we did mention this stock in our analysis Thursday night heading into Friday. And in there, we mentioned that it was going to be low risk, low reward stock, hasn't really done anything in a while. It's all going to be news based, but for what it's worth, there was a 44 cent expected move on Friday. And then you can see on Friday, we got a pop, and really we had two times the expected move. We got about a $1.50 in here. So nice move in here on a $10 stock. We'll definitely take over 10% move in there. Obviously, closing only really 40 cents higher than where it opened, but still you did get that over 10% move that we kind of overshot on that expected move in there by last Friday's expirations. So that was a daily chart that we were talking about on Thursday night. Here, we're looking at the 30-minute. And really what we're looking for here is we want to confirm this trend line down here. It's going to meet up right around that $10 area with this 200 SMA. So right now that SMA is sitting at 10.15. Really $10 is kind of where we want to be, because the past week you can see it was a magnet all in and around there, whether it becoming a resistance or it was confirming a support, what have you. $10 is the magic number. That's nothing psychological or anything behind that. That is literally, that is going to be the number to watch. Now, going upwards, this 9-day EMA on the 30-minute, that's going to hold a lot of weight right here at the 1043s. But really, we're going to be more concerned right here with this 1080 area. And that's because of the resistances that we hit back here earlier in the week. Now, on our flows, what we had is at the end of the day on Friday, so after everything kind of pulled back, you did have some actions to the call side here. So the 2-7 expiration, the $12 calls, you had a pretty large sweep coming in there. And also in the February monthly cycle on the $12 strike, you had a large sweep coming in as well. So all in all, for what it's worth, you have a $1.35 expected move priced in by Friday. So that is a smaller move expected than what just happened on this one trading session on this past Friday. But it's cheap in here. The markets are very, very thin, 5 cents. So again, low risk, low reward. It doesn't matter which way you want to go. And it all depends on what the market wants. Do they care about quantum computing? Do they care about AI? Do they care about tariffs? Do they care about anything? Is it all just kind of just resetting before we grind higher? Do not know, but definitely $10 area is what we're going to watch, 1043s and the 10.8s. Out in the monthlies, we have right around a $3 expected move, and open interest in here is all to the call side. You have interest in the 15s, 18s, and the $20 strikes going all the way up to the $25 strikes. You have a lot of open interest coming in. So that's going to be interesting to play out in here, especially if we kind of zoom out and go to that daily chart as we had earlier. I can get rid of this drawing right here to kind of make it cleaner for you guys. And really, that channel that we mentioned on this past Thursday, 929 to that 12, you're right, 1274, 1275 range. That area is going to be channel bound until we can kind of confirm and break that. Then we have a gap fill that we have to worry about here up to the $16 area. So we'll see what happens in here, guys. Again, it's very cheap to get in here. Doesn't matter which way you want to go, because you're not going to be really risking a whole lot unless you're doing 100 lot, 200 lots of all these. Other than that, you're taking pennies out of here. All right, guys, make sure to check us out on all our social media. And we also have a Discord service if you are interested. You can find all the socials and all the information you need in the description below.